List Priorities and Projects. Another way to fully utilize the Magazine Manager is to set up a list of projects and priorities assigned to those projects and assign several tasks or different aspects of these projects to your enabled users of the Magazine Manager. The first step in setting this up and getting this ready is to go to the Management menu, Site Setup, Website Setup, and underneath the Employees section we have the To-Do List Projects. We can go ahead and set up a list of projects that you will be working on there internally in your office. You may have a customer service project, as we have here. To add a new project to the to-do list projects, click the New button here at the top and simply type in the project name. And let's say another project may be spring cleaning. And as you begin to build this list of projects, notice that in the upper left-hand corner there's a little red tag or a little red corner here. This is simply telling you that this information has been entered into the website here, but has not yet been saved into the database, into the Magazine Manager. So be sure once you build this list and have this list as you want it, click the Save List button here at the bottom, and the red corners go away, indicating that your information has been saved into the Magazine Manager. So now that you've added your items to your to-do list of projects, and let me delete this remove, and to remove an item from this list, simply highlight the item and then press the remove button in the upper right hand corner, press Save List, and now that you're done building your list, press Done in the lower right hand corner. This brings you back to the website setup, and now let's set up the to-do list priorities. So now you have your to-do list priorities, and by default your priority list will be A, B, C, D, E. You can actually modify this list by double-clicking on any particular line, positioning your cursor and typing in your information. To edit another line, double-click. And once you have your list established, go ahead and press the Save List button at the bottom. Now, how would you actually use the to-do list here? Well, let's go ahead and close our website setup tab here, keep our work surface clean. To add a new to-do list item, under the quick links area over in the left, click to-do list. And we are going to give an assignment for advertiser follow-up. And we are going to make this advertiser follow-up very high, and the due date for this advertiser follow-up is going to be October 26th, and we'll add this. Okay, now we have advertiser follow-up as a to-do list task item, highest priority, started. And so now let's go in and actually modify this. Press the edit button out to the left, and here we can give a further description to this to-do list item and correct any capitalization errors that may have occurred. We're going to go ahead and assign this item to Karen. She's on our team, and she's our follow-up go-to gal. And this would be assigned by the logged in user into the Magazine Manager. We can assign the due date, and then we can also assign the project that this task is associated with. And this project, this particular task, advertiser follow-up, is associated with the Fall Festival. And so once you finish defining further details of the task, go ahead and press Done, and this task has now been modified. And that is how to add or update to-do list priorities and projects.